All right, let's talk about something that's literally all around us, but you probably never think about it. It's called CNC lathe machining, and it's this foundational tech that's shaping our world with a kind of precision that is, well, it's just mind-blowing.
Seriously, just take a look around. Grab your phone, feel that smooth, solid metal case, or think about the engine in your car, or even the plane you might fly on. All those complex, perfectly shaped metal parts. I mean, how do they get them so flawlessly accurate? Ever wonder about that?
Well, that's not magic, I can tell you that. It's this incredible technology working away behind the scenes, kind of like a hidden force that makes, well, pretty much everything in our modern lives possible.
And this isn't just a small step forward. We're talking about a massive leap, right? It took manufacturing from being this hands-on, almost artistic craft and turned it into a digital science. The level of perfection it unlocked, totally unimaginable before this.
So, what is this revolutionary process? It's called CNC lathe machining. Yeah, I know it sounds super technical, but trust me, the main idea behind it is actually brilliantly simple, and it has completely changed the game for how we make, well, everything.
Okay, so let's break that down. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. First, just imagine a machine called a lathe. It basically spins a block of metal or some other material really, really fast. Then, a super sharp cutting tool comes in and carves away at it. Now, the CNC part is the magic here. Instead of a person carefully turning wheels and pulling levers, a computer program is calling all the shots. Every single movement is controlled by code, shaping that material with just unbelievable accuracy.
And this is a huge difference from how things used to be done. For centuries, you had a skilled machinist, a true craftsman, doing everything by hand. It was an art for sure, but, we're human. Precision was always limited. CNC just flips that script. It takes the human out of the direct control loop and puts a computer program in charge. And here's the real kicker. That program can be run over and over and over again, perfectly, thousands of times. That's how you get mass production where every single part is identical. It's the bedrock of modern industry right there.
So, how do we go from a file on a computer to a real physical object you can hold in your hand? It's a pretty cool journey, actually, from the digital drawing board to the finished part.
It really boils down to three main steps. First up, an engineer designs a perfect 3D model of the part on a computer using something called CAD software. Then, and this is the clever part, that 3D model gets turned into a set of instructions for the machine. You can think of it like a super detailed digital recipe. And finally, the CNC machine just reads that recipe. It follows every single instruction perfectly and carves a block of raw material into the finished piece. Pretty cool, huh?
Now, this whole process isn't just some neat party trick. No way. The advantages you get from it are what make it so absolutely game-changing. So let's talk about the real power that this kind of precision gives us. So what are we talking about? Well, for starters, you get insanely high precision and efficiency. The machine is just faster and way more accurate than any human could ever hope to be. You also get flexibility. You can create all these wild, complex shapes. Then there's the automation, which means these things can run with very little human help. And, maybe most important of all, you get consistency. The 1,000th part that comes off the line is going to be absolutely identical to the very first one. And when I say high precision, I am not kidding. We're talking about micron-level accuracy. So, to put that into perspective for you, a single human hair is about 70 microns thick. These machines are making cuts and adjustments that are a tiny fraction of that. We're talking about a level of detail that is literally invisible to the naked eye. It's wild.
And this isn't just some abstract idea. It has real-world consequences. As people in the industry will tell you, this level of precision means you get more efficient manufacturing and, you guessed it, higher quality products. It's a straight line from this amazing tech to the better, safer, more reliable stuff we all use every single day.
Okay, so this tech is powerful, it's precise, but where does it actually show up? The real answer? Pretty much everywhere. It's shaping the very materials that our entire modern world is built on.
And it's not just for soft stuff either. This technology is incredibly versatile. It can cut and shape some of the toughest, most advanced metals out there. We're talking lightweight aluminum, super strong stainless steel, and even those high-tech titanium alloys they use in jets and spacecraft. And these materials, shaped by these machines, are the backbone of our most important industries. Think about it. Aerospace, jet engine parts that have to be perfect. The medical field, We're talking surgical tools and implants that go inside the human body. Automotive, the engine block in your car. Electronics, energy, you name it. CNC machining is the quiet hero making sure all these critical parts are strong, reliable, and absolutely perfect.
So really, the next time you pick up your phone and feel how solid and perfectly made it is, or the next time you're on a plane, just take a second to think about it. The safety and quality of those things rely on this incredible and mostly invisible precision. You can thank CNC machining for that.
But hold on, the story is far from over. This technology is always evolving, always pushing the limits of what we thought was possible in the world of manufacturing.
So what's next? Well, things are about to get even smarter. We're seeing more and more AI integration, which means machines can actually learn and optimize their own work on the fly. There's a huge push for greener manufacturing, using this precision to reduce waste and save energy. And of course, more automation. We're talking robots working alongside these machines, running factories 24/7. There's even this amazing thing called digital twin technology, where you can create a perfect virtual copy of the entire process and run simulations to get it just right before you even cut a single piece of metal.
All of this incredible progress, right? It leads us to one last, really big question. As these machines get smarter and more automated, with AI in the mix, what does that mean for people? What's the human role going to be in the factories of the future? Definitely something to chew on as this hidden tech keeps changing everything. Thanks for diving into this with me.